Could you share with us, your journey at Samrat Imprinter so far? What is the company been doing, and how have you grown over the years? Let's please give us a look into that.
It's a family-run. It's still a family-run organization, which started in 1987, and we used to be printing books earlier, but we got into commercial printing in the year 1997. That time we used to use a dominant machine, which is a four-color press, and slowly we started developing some corporate customers, and we got lucky with a few of them. We could deliver well; they could give us the volumes that we needed, and we did pretty well with it. And since then, I mean, the business has been looking up for us.
How has Heidelberg played a role in your journey? So,
See, Heidelberg is like a, you can say it's the Mercedes of the printing machines. So it's anybody's dream to own a Heidelberg press. So I used to be, I mean, we just heard stories about it. I hadn't even seen it running. So in 2004, I was attending Drupa, this exhibition in Germany, and that was for the first time I saw a machine running at 18,000 sheets an hour.
right.
So I got pretty inspired with that. And that was in 2004, and by God's grace, by 2006, we had our first brand new Heidelberg.
So, how many Heidelberg machines do you run?
We have 3 printing machines.
320. Have you installed any of the pre-press or?
Yeah, we have a CTP, which is called a Supra Setter A105. Then we use Stahl folders. Then we have Heidelberg printing. Then we use Polar cutting machines. So I think through and through we are Heidelberg users. Yeah.
Any chance of getting into the workflow mode?
Workflow also we are using.
You use
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
Okay. We just heard that you follow a great printing maintenance schedule. So would you want to give some message to the printers, because that seems to be a huge critical thing that nobody seems
See, I
to
think
follow.
the only thing to be understood is that there is a difference in repair and maintenance. Repair means when something gets broken or when something breaks, so you fix it. That's repair.
Yeah.
Maintenance is something is not broken, but you just you know it's done its job. You're just cleaning it up, greasing it, oiling it. That's it. It's very, very helpful. I mean, like, you won't. It eliminates the shock. This thing that suddenly the machine has gone off. What happened? It's been used for so much time and it's never been cleaned.
Right.
So it just eliminates that.
So how have you brought this process into this thing, which seems to be difficult for everybody else to apply? How have you managed?
I think fear plays a major role because the parts are so expensive. So it's better to use the ones you have very, very well.
Yeah.
Use them well. Keep them nicely.
So do you assign responsibilities for people to ensure that these things are done on time? How is it?
Yeah, we have a foreman who has clear instructions as far as these things are concerned. And when it comes to the press, we hardly give any importance to the job because jobs keep coming and going.
Right.
But press is going to be with us for a long time.
Right.
So if it's got to do anything with the health of the press, we are quite strict with that. Yeah.
Excellent. So that's a great message for other printers to follow. What about your future plans? What have you intended to?
We've just invested in CTP and we've gone for a printing press, which is a 4-color with a coater. Last year, it's just been 6 months. So right now, our plan for the next 2 years is just to stabilize these 2 things,
Okay.
and then we are done with the space we have. So then we are going to be looking for some industrial land,
Right.
and then we are going to be going in for a new machines and whatever. But the premises in which we are in right now, it's full. We can't get more machines.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for next 2 years, you are currently stabilizing.
We're just going to be optimizing the equipment we have,
Okay.
and then we'll have to move out because we're done with the space we have.